Click Zeroing to clear. Click here to adjust machine operating speed. Green button to start operating the machine. Red button to stop the machine. Turn on the alarm switch. Click Reset to stop the alarm. Enter 8888 to enter the parameter screen. This is used to adjust the jogging speed. This is used to adjust the ultrasonic wave time. It means it stops 5 seconds after there's no paper. It means that it stops 5 seconds after there's no cup. It means that there is no inner cup and then one more cup to stop. Access to the angle control interface. This is the real-time angle. This column is used for control machine different parts. This column is the opening angle. This column is the close angle. For example, when the angle reach 199 degrees will start the paper suction. The angle arrive 47 degrees will stop. Ultrasonic control. Paper suction control. Paper holder blowing control. Cup hold control. Blower cup control. Knurled splenoid valve control. Control forward and reverse. Gluing control. Gluing control. Paper pressing disc. Access to the cup interface. Controlling the number of gluing. Controlling the glue throwing speed. The bigger the number the faster the speed, the smaller the number the slower the speed.